Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back to our news station.
So yeah, new setup because on today's vlog, we'll be sharing with you yung latest trend ngayon. But before anything else, if you're new to our channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe and the bell button below so that you'll get notified every time that we upload new vlogs.
Yeah.
Hello Jade, good morning. Hi. How was your sleep? Love? How's your sleep, baby? Yeah, tell them that you woke up very early as 4 a.m. No, around 3:30. Oh no! Right, love? You were not able to go out because you woke up so early. So mommy tried patulogin ka ulit. And you slept around 5 o'clock. Then you woke up again around 6:40. Then, so kulang pa na tulog for mommy. That's the reason why we slept again. And we just woke up now. Right, yeah? We just woke up. Right, baby? Huh? But did you have a good sleep? Baby love? Oh, you're so pretty naman. What are we gonna do today? You're gonna play again. This is usual routine. But I think mommy and daddy will try something. We'll try to what? Slow daddy love. Bye everyone. Bakit naman yan laway-laway? What is daddy doing? Ginagawa ni daddy. Daddy? What are you doing? Yeah. Daddy. Wow! Galing naman mag-sit niyan. No, love? Practice ka. Yay! Yay! Practice. Right, love? Ha! Kasi you wanna eat na, no? You want to eat solids na eh. Nakikikain na sa amin. Gusto nang kumain eh. Right, love? Ha! Ang ganda naman yan, no?
High five!
High five! High five! Close open, close open, close open, close open.
Meanwhile.
Hi guys!
Hello!
It's the, I don't know, nasa third week na tayo ng ECQ.
Yep.
Enhanced Community Quarantine. That's the reason why probably nagka-trend talaga itong isi-share namin sa inyo ngayon because syempre,
Everybody's doing it, di ba?
yeah, and aside from that, kasi nga, limited yung ano natin, limited yung pagpunta natin, yeah, resources,
Pagpunta natin sa
cafes, coffee shops. That's the reason why very trending itong Dalgona Coffee and Dalgona Milo. So, on today's vlog, we'll try to make this Dalgona Coffee and Milo and let's see kung magiging successful kami. Right, love?
Yep, sana.
Si Gian kasi coffee lover talaga to.
Yes.
And nag-work from home siya, so kailangan niya pa rin talaga ng coffee. And I think medyo na ano na siya, na pag laging brood ka ng brood, no? So, tingnan natin ngayon kung magagawa namin to para at least meron siya alternative habang nagtatrabaho. But, before the Dalgona Coffee, gawin natin yung mas madali.
Okay.
Which is the Dalgona Milo. Okay. Mas gusto niya yung Dalgona Coffee. Hindi kasi ako coffee drinker, Milo lang ako. Pero I think mas madali kasing gawin yung Dalgona Milo kaysa sa Dalgona Coffee.
Yes.
So, ano nga ba ang mga ingredients?
Okay guys, so for our Dalgona Milo drink, kailangan natin ng Milo. Siyempre, ito yung main ingredient. We'll use 2 tablespoons of Milo. Then, sugar. 2 tablespoons din ng sugar. Then, itong Nestle cream. Malit lang siya, so we'll probably use half of this. And then, obviously, kailangan din natin ng milk. This time, we'll use a fresh milk. And then, some few bits of ice. And later on, kailangan din natin ng hot water. We'll get some 2 tablespoons of hot water too para ma-dissolve yung mixture.
So there, we're back. Ano yung first thing na gagawin natin, love?
First thing, we're gonna try to dissolve muna yung ingredients na kailangan natin para gagawa lang tayo ng some kind of syrup. So, Milo and sugar syrup. And then, yun yung ihalo natin mamaya sa Nestle cream. As I have mentioned earlier, we're gonna use 2 tablespoons.
And the reason why gagawa muna kami ng syrup is because, ang tawag ito, parang hindi masyadong heavy yung texture ng Milo. Diba lang? Para kasi kapag pinakombine mo to, tapos i-add mo siya dun sa cream, magiging heavy na siya. So, gagawa muna kami ng syrup bago namin siya i-add dun sa cream. Yes. Ano naman sa inyo, nakadepend naman sa inyo kung gusto nyong equal lang or 1:1 yung Milo and yung sugar, or kung gusto nyo ng less na sweet siya, then bawasan nyo.
So ito yung haro natin later sa mixture natin. So ready na yung ating mixture ng syrup, Milo syrup.
Lahat ba?
In this mixture, ito mga feeling ko nasa 5 tablespoons. So, ikutin natin siya lagay para madali siyang mahalo. Actually, pwede ka na ilagay lahat.
Kung meron kayong egg beater, yung electric, mas madali. Pero mas challenging kapag gumamit kayo niyan para at least feel mo talaga mamaya. Dali-dali lang.
Ito matagal tayo.
A few moments later. One eternity later.
Nga pala, kaya siya, ano ba yun? Dalgona, diba? Galing siya sa South Korea. And, dati wala namang talagang Dalgona coffee na word or na hindi siya ganun katunog. Not until January 26 of this year, yun nga, yung nagsimula na yung mga quarantine sa iba't ibang countries, specifically dito sa South Korea, kasi galing ito sa South Korea. Yan na siya, really. Then, I think, nakalimutan ko yung specific date, February 25, 15, or 5. Basta, nag-post si isang YouTuber na taga South Korea nung how to make Dalgona coffee. And doon siya nagsimulang mag-trend. And yung Dalgona, or in Korea,
Coffee
daw. Yun, that means yung coffee candy nila. So, it's a coffee candy na nagagawa through heating ng 3 ingredients. Yung sugar, yung oil, and yung baking soda. Yes.
A few inches later.
Okay. After 1 hour. Hindi naman. So, ayan na. Ayan yung consistency na dapat nating makuha. So, ayan. Insert lang namin yung tip. And, i-assemble na natin siya. Malinis po ang aking mga kamay. Milk muna. Kung hanggang saan nyo gusto naman. Pero usually, more than 3 parts, no? Marami-rami to ah. Tantana. Dapat pala kinoti ako pa yung ano. Okay lang. Okay na. Okay. So, after 1 hour. So, ayan na. Ito na ang ating Dalgona Milo. So, ayan. Nakita nyo naman yung consistency kanina. Yun lang kailangan natin i-achieve. So, 3 basic ingredients. Pero, medyo matagal lang yung pag-whisk. So, kung meron kayong electric chorba, mas madali siya. But now,
time to try it.
Yeah. Okay. So, it's time to test. Ano, kailangan ba haluin? Hindi naman.
Yes, kasi hindi mo siya.
Lasang milk yun.
Yeah, puro ito naman. Dapat i-gano mo siya. Pwede mo nga siya i-scoop.
Sarap. Sino ba yun talaga? Or milk. Tignan mo na. Ang sarap. Maubos na namin.
Sarap.
Siyempre hindi ko matitikman yung coffee niya dahil naman ako nagko-coffee.
Ayaw mo tigilan yun.
So there! Yun yung ating, ano to?
Dalgona.
Di ba nakalimutan ko?
Ganun siya
Nakalimutan ko, ganun siya kasarap. Dalgona Milo.
Yes.
And okay naman siya, worth it naman yung paggawa. Nakakapagod lang talaga yung pag ganon. Okay siya. I'm satisfied. Are you?
Yeah.
So, yeah! Ang next
Sarap
namin,
siya actually.
ang next namin gagawin ay yung Dalgona coffee. Ito mukhang mas mahirap siya compared dito.
Alright, so moving on tayo sa ating Dalgona coffee. So number 1 is, ang ingredient natin is Nescafe. And then,
2 tablespoon din, no?
2 tablespoon yan. Then 2 tablespoon ulit ng sugar. And then, hot water, 2 tablespoon din. Lagay natin ito later. And then, later on, for the drink, gamit tayo ng milk and some ice. So, yun ang ingredients natin for today. Alright, so let's do this. Pero I'm thinking, ang isang sachet is at least a teaspoon. So, dalawang sachet would be 1 tablespoon. Hopefully, so parang 1 tablespoon ang yung dalawa.
Okay.
So this is 1 tablespoon and 2 tablespoons. Tapos 2 tablespoons din ng water. 1. Tapos let's start stirring these ingredients together. Sana yung maging reaction ng sugar saka ng instant coffee with water is mag-emulsify siya. Sabihin sa umalsa siya. At yun ang magiging topping natin. So in fairness, parang gano'n din yung nangyayari ngayon.
Parang mas okay siya.
So nag-thicken na siya.
So guys, I think it's really best if you're gonna use white sugar instead of brown sugar. Kasi, kaya po yung sabi niya, kinain niya na to. Nag-fail siya kasi hindi siya naging consistent.
So may brown no,
Hindi nag-thicken.
nag-thicken.
Yes. Kasi brown sugar yung gamit niya. But this time around, gumamit siya ng white sugar. So make sure na white sugar yung gagamitin mo.
So I think may effect yung instant coffee. Kasi ginamit ko na ako yung brewed coffee na super konti yung intake para extra. Hindi, tinry ko yung 3-in-1.
Nitry siya na 3-in-1. Eh, may mixture na yun na ano.
Oh yeah, pwede yung 3-in-1.
Yeah.
One eternity later.
So guys, so after or in less than 5 minutes, actually nagiging parang sobrang ano na siya, thick na siya. Pero ito yung gusto natin na kind of consistency. In fact, ito yung pinaka-perfect na gusto natin mangyari. This is easier or faster than yung ginawa natin kanina sa Milo.
Surprisingly, because I thought mahirap siya dahil nasa sa experience namin kahapon. And si Milo, meron na siyang all-purpose cream, kaya I was thinking na mas madali siya. Pero mas madali siyang mag-thicken kaysa kay Milo.
Sobrang thick na siya.
Pero dapat hindi rin ganun ka-heavy. So tama lang talaga yung sa isang serving, tama lang yung 2 tablespoons ng coffee and 2 tablespoons ng sugar. Okay, so we're gonna assemble this na para matikman na ni Gian.
Yeah, I have here yung glass natin. Lagyan natin siya ng mga madami-daming yelo.
Okay, so tapos na kami sa kanyang
Dalgona coffee.
Yes. Kahit hindi ako umiinom ng coffee, na-excite ako kasi ang bilis niya talagang gawin.
Yes.
So I think it's time to test the Dalgona coffee. Siya lang magta-test.
Yeah.
Magta-taste. Kasi hindi ako coffee. Mas maganda yung consistency noon. Actually, okay din naman yung consistency. Mas okay talaga yung consistency noon kaysa dito. So maganda rin ano to, bonding activity.
Yeah.
Habang naka-quarantine pa tayo, meron pa tayong more than a week na quarantine and we don't know yet kung mag-extend or hindi. Hindi nasa news kanina, no? So at least may another bonding kayo with your kids.
Yeah.
Siguro sabihin natin parang reward sa kanila. And ang tawag doon, consequence. Yung consequence yung mag-steer ka.
Oh no!
Kamusta ang iyong coffee?
Parang ano?
Ang galing oh. Kasi kahit na na-mix niya na, since maganda nga yung consistency ng mixture niya,
Sa ibabaw pa yun.
oo, meron pa rin nasa ibabaw, pero may naghalo na rin sa milk.
Parang ano, parang nasa CBTL lang.
Yeah.
Although wala naman Dalgona nila, pero parang ano, parang frap.
Yeah. Exciting.
Sarap.
So, yun. There you have it, guys. Kami very satisfied kami dito sa Dalgona Coffee and Milo. It's a good activity and good refreshment habang nasa bahay kayo.
Dapat nang ginawa ito nung nag-start ako ng shift para
Correct.
sarap eh.
So there, I hope we've shared something new sa inyo guys and something that you can do sa bahay nyo. And I hope you like this video. If you do, please don't forget to click the thumbs up icon below and please don't forget to click the subscribe and the bell button so that you'll get notified every time that we upload new vlogs.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching.
Bye!
Stay safe everyone.